Good morning, learners. Welcome to your maths class. So, today we are going to start another question of exercise 2.1 of chapter 2. So, everybody open your maths book on the page number 29. The question we are going to start, that is 3. Question 3, evaluate. In this first part is 3 to the power 0 multiply 1 to the power 0. So we have to evaluate this A part. So let's start. So learners, before going to start this A part, I have tell you something that any constant, if we have A is any constant and the power is 0. So if any constant or any number has the power 0, the value of that number will be 1, always will be 1. ओके किसी भी नंबर की और किसी भी कांस्टेंट की अगर पावर हमारी 0 है तो उस पूरे की वैल्यू 1 होगी, नॉट 0. ओके, this one is the rule and this one is the formula also, that any constant power is 0, we have the value of that is 1. So here the question is 3 power 0 multiply 1 power 0. As you can see, these two are numbers and numbers have the power 0. So the value of this number will not be 0. Okay, remember that, will not be 0, will be 1. So we write here 1 and multiply 1. So the answer is 1. Okay, I hope you have clear now. So let us do its third part. So in this part we have 1 upon 5 power 0 minus 1 over 8 power 0 and the whole power is 0 multiply 7 to the power 0. So in this, first of all, we have to solve this, the number which are in brackets. Okay, so first of all, write square bracket here. 1 over 5, what is the value of 1 upon 5 power 0? 1. Okay, always be 1 minus 1 power 0 multiply, and what about this? This is also value 1. Okay, so as you can see, we will solve first 1 minus 1. What we have? 0, and multiply 1 gives 0. Okay, 0 की power 0 gives 0. It is clear to all. Now let us do its D part. Now here we have its D part. As you can see, the part 3 power 0 plus 4 power 0 plus 5 power 0 divided by A power 0 plus B power 0. Okay, so first of all we have to solve this bracket, then this bracket. So the power of this, the value of this 3 power 0 gives 1 plus gives 1 plus gives 1. Okay, divided by A to the power equals to 1, this also be 1. Okay, as you know that A power 0 gives 1. Any constant, any number, किसी भी constant हो, चाहे यहाँ पे C भी हो, D भी हो, F हो, G हो, कोई वेरिएबल्स हो, कोई हमारा constant हो, कोई हमारा नंबर हो, अगर उसकी पावर 0 है, so the answer is 1. Always be answer 1. Okay, so here we have, now add these numbers. 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives 3 divided by 1 plus 1 gives 2, or we can write here 3 over 2. It is the answer. Okay, I hope you have clear now. Now we will do the question number 4, simplify. Now in question 4 we have A part 2 power minus 3 multiply 5 power minus 3. As you already read about the laws of component, and in the laws of component the last one is that if we have two constant, that is A multiply B, and the powers are same, so what we will do, हम क्या करते हैं, हम 2 multiply 5 करेंगे एंड होल पावर क्या हो जाएगी इसकी -3, यानी कि हम क्या करेंगे, जो इनकी पावर्स है इसको हम ले लेंगे कॉमन आउट, एंड जो हमारे बेसिस हैं that is 2 and 5, they should be multiply. Okay, now see here, like this 2 multiplied by 5, bases should be multiplied and the powers are common out. So the answer is 2 5s are 10 to the power minus 3. Or as I already you told that the power is negative. For the positive power we have to reciprocal that number, that is 3. Okay, so this is the answer. I hope now you can do its second and the C. Like in second also bases are different and the powers are same. So in this what we have to do, we have 11 multiplied by 3 and the whole power becomes minus 5. Okay, now in C part also there are bases are different but the powers are same. So इसमें भी हम ऐसे ही करेंगे, बेस को हम कर देंगे मल्टीप्लाई एंड द पावर्स विल बी कॉमन आउट. ओके, चलिए एक बार कर लेते हैं इसका सी पार्ट. हाउ we have to multiply the bases, that means minus 4 over 9 multiply minus 3 over 8 and the whole power will become minus 7. So in this as you can see that we can cut 4 and 8 from the table 4 and we can cut 3 and 9 from the table 3. Yes, so 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8, 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So what will be the answer? In this you can see the minus sign here and the minus sign here. There is a two negative signs, so it can cut this and the sign will become positive. That is 1 ones are 1 over 3 twos are 6 and the power is minus 7. And here also the power is negative. So for positive we have to reciprocal this number, that means 6 to the power 7 and it is the answer. Okay, now let us do the question number 5 on the page number 30. So question 5, find the value. Here 3 to the power 2 multiply 2 power minus 2 in small bracket and in another bracket 5 power 2 divided by 5 power 2. So how can we solve this question? Let us start. Here first of all we have to solve this bracket. As you can see in this bracket bases are not equal and also powers are not equal. So we have to solve individually. Okay, like we know 3 to the power 2 gives 9 multiply. Now here 2 की power है minus 2. So we have to reciprocal of 2, the power become positive. Okay, now put in the bracket. Now solve second bracket. Here we have 5 square divided by 5 square. So we write as here 5 square divided over 5 square. Okay, so in this you can see that 9 multiply 1 square gives 1 and 2 का square gives 4, like this. 2 की पावर 2 का मतलब होता है कि हमें 2 को 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करना है, दैट इज 2 multiplied by 2 gives 4. Okay, so here this, and you know that the same number written on the top and the same number written on the down, so we can cut it out like this. So here we have 1. So the answer is 9 ones are 9 upon 4. This is our answer. Okay, now let us do its B part. So here we have B part, so solve it. In this we have to write 28 P to the power 4 Q power 2. Now divided by this one 12 and P Q whole power 3. It means we can write here also as upon 12 P की power 3 and Q की power 3. Okay, so now first of all we have to cut these numbers from the same table. So which table it can be cut it out? This can be by the 2 6s and 2 1s and 2 4s. Also 2 3s and 2 7s. Okay, so we have to write here as 7 P4 Q square over 3 P3 and q 3. Okay, so in this as you can see that p ऊपर भी है नीचे भी है, यहाँ पर तो है p की पावर 4 और यहाँ पर है 3. ओके, यहाँ पर है q की पावर 2 और यहाँ पर है q की 3. तो वी कैन कट p की पावर 4 बाय द 3. तो यहाँ बचेगा हमारा 1. देखो ऐसे कर सकते हैं हम 7/3 p. देखो इनके बेसिस क्या है, इक्वल है बट पावर्स आर डिफरेंट. सो वी राइट हियर एज 4 - 3. ओके, एंड q also 2 - 3 because bases are same and the powers are different and it is in the form of division. So in division powers must be subtracted. So we can write here 7/3 p because 4 - 3 gives 1 and the q -1 because we have subtract 2 - 3. So the answer is -1, or the answer we have write like this. This is the answer. Okay, because in this the power of q is negative and for the positive power we have to the reciprocal of q. So the reciprocal of q is 1/q and q is the right down. Okay, I hope you have clear now. If anyone has any query, has any problem, then he or she can be asked. Okay, so now let us do its sixth question. In sixth question we have find x. इसमें हमें फाइंड करनी है द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स, दिस एक्स की वैल्यू. ओके, एज यू कैन सी द बेसिस आर द सेम but the powers are different and the sign here is multiplication. So in multiplication what we have do, in multiplication the powers are added. Okay, so let's start. First of all we have to solve these brackets, means left hand side. Okay, so solve. As you can see bases are the same but the powers are different and the sign is multiplication. So the powers are added like this, -8 plus 3. Okay, and the right hand side written as it is. So the answer is -8 plus 3. Minus plus minus, so 8 - 3 gives 5 and the powers will be negative because the 8 has negative sign. Okay, right hand side as it is. Now in this type of question what we have to do, we have to do that the bases are equal. As you can see there is a equal sign and we can see that 7/8 equals to 7/8. So the bases are equal, so we can write x is equals to -5 because if the bases are equal then their powers are also be equal. So we write here as, we cannot write these numbers, only we have write this. That means x is equals to -5. यही हमारा आंसर है बिकॉज हमें x की वैल्यू ही निकालनी थी. हम इसको सॉल्व नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज bases are equal, so the powers are also equal and we have to write here, or we can write here x is equals to -5. This is our answer. Okay, let us do its p part. In this we have 4/7 power -3 multiply 16/49 power -1 in square bracket is equals to 4/7. The power is x -1. Solve this part. 4/7 power -3 multiply, as you can see here that 16 हमारा किसका स्क्वायर होता है, वो होता है हमारा 4 का. that means 4 multiply by 4 give 16, or we can write 4 की power 2. So here we also write that 4 to the power 2. yes, and 49 कब आता है हमारा, 7 multiply 7 gives 49. So here 7 power 2. okay, so we can also write 7 power 2 and the whole power is -1. So put in square bracket as it is and equals to what we have, 4/7 power x -1. okay, so here we have 4 over 7 power minus 3 multiply. See here 4 power 2, 7 power 2. Okay, so we write 4 upon 7 whole power 2, and the power, this one minus 1, we write as, and put square bracket. Okay, write right hand side as it is. So in this 4 over 7 minus 3 multiply 4 over 7 and the power, एक हमारी अंदर है एक हमारी बाहर है, यानी कि m मल्टीप्लाई बाय n. तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम करते हैं m मल्टीप्लाई बाय n, that is 4 over 7 here minus 2, because 2 ones are 2 and the negative sign is here. Okay, equals to 4 over 7 to the power x minus 1. Now in this side the bases are same but the powers are different in the multiplication form. So powers are added like this, 3 plus minus 2 equals to 4 over 7 x minus 1. Okay, so here 4 over 7 minus 3 and here plus minus minus 2 equals to 4 over 7 x minus 1. Okay, so 4 over 7 power minus minus plus, so 5. Okay, minus का 5 आया आंसर, and now is equals to 4 upon 7 power x minus 1. In this also the bases are equal. बेसिस हमारे क्या है, इक्वल है. तो इफ बेसिस आर इक्वल देन पावर्स आर ऑल्सो इक्वल. So we can write here minus 5 is equals to x minus 1. Okay, or we can write x minus 1 is equals to minus 5. हमने रिवर्स कर दिया इस टर्म को. So x is equals to, अब यहाँ पर है हमारा minus 1, हमें निकालनी है ओनली वैल्यू ऑफ x. So this minus 1 goes to this side in plus. Okay, minus 1 हमारा equals to के इधर आके बन जाता है plus 1. Sign will be changed. So x is equals to, now here minus plus minus and the answer is minus 4. So x की वैल्यू आई हमारी minus 4. Like this you have to do. If any problem you have, you can ask me. Okay, now let us do its 7th question. In this we have, by what number should 8 upon 9 power minus 3 be multiplied to get the product as 1. इसमें ये दिया हुआ है कि हम इस नंबर को अदर किसी और नंबर से क्या मल्टीप्लाई करें कि जो उन दोनों की हमारी क्या आएगी, प्रोडक्ट आएगी, वो क्या बने, 1 बने. क्या बने, 1. ओके, सो हम क्या करेंगे, देखो 8 upon 9 power minus 3 multiply by which number we get the product 1. हम यहाँ पे ऐसे कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें कि इन दोनों का आंसर क्या आए, 1 आए. तो हम क्या मानेंगे, लेट द नंबर बी x. हम मानेंगे लेट द नंबर बी x कि अगर हम x की मल्टीप्लाई इससे करते तो हमारा आंसर क्या आता है, 1 आता है. And in this you can see the power is negative. So first of all we have to convert this power into positive. So reciprocal it and the power will become positive. Okay, now multiply by x gives 1. Okay, now you can see that this number is in multiplication form, right, and equals to here 1. अगर हम इस नंबर को equals to के इधर लेकर आते हैं तो this multiplication sign converted into divided sign like this. Okay, 1 divided 9 over 8 power 3. Now this divided sign is converted into multiplication and the number is also reciprocal. Again we have to reciprocal this number. Why? Because we have to change this divided sign by the multiplication sign. So the value of x is power 3, 1, 1, that is 8 upon 9 power 3. The answer is this. Okay, it is clear now.